In today's video, I'm going to show you how to export a high-resolution PNG in Artistly AI quickly and easily. First, open your project inside Artistly AI and make sure your design is completely finished before exporting. Double-check your text, images, colors, and overall layout so everything looks exactly the way you want. Now, for the most important part, increasing the resolution. Use the Upscale tool inside Artistly AI to improve the image quality and increase the resolution. Simply select your design, click on the Upscale option, and let the AI enhance the details for a sharper and more professional-looking result. Next, look for the Export or Download button, usually located in the top right corner of the editor. Click on it to open the export settings. From the File Format options, select PNG. PNG is perfect if you want high image quality, transparent backgrounds, or graphics for social media, websites, and presentations. Once everything is set, click Export or Download, and Artistly AI will generate your high-resolution PNG file automatically. And that's it. Your high-quality PNG is now ready to use for printing, marketing, social media, or professional projects. Thank you for watching this video. Please feel free to use the affiliate link in the description.